Hey everyone, this is Sean with Pew Pew Tactical, and today we're doing a field strip of the FN502. First thing we're going to do is make sure that the gun is safe. Press the magazine release, remove the magazine. Then we're going to pull the slide back and make sure that the chamber is empty. Now that that's established, we'll remove the suppressor. From here, we're going to pull the slide back and then engage the slide lock. Now, pull down on the takedown lever. Once this is done, we can simply drop the slide by pulling down on the slide stop and pull it all the way off. And set the frame to the side. Compress the recoil spring just a little and pull down until it releases from the barrel. Set that to the side. Wiggle the barrel back and forth till it frees up, and then pull the back portion through the slide. The FN502 Tactical is one of our favorite plinkers, but if you want more information on accessories like lights, optics, or suppressors, check the link below in the description. To reassemble, take the slide and insert the barrel through the front until it drops into place, then slide it back. Make sure that you reinsert the recoil spring with the proper orientation. Compress the spring until it snaps into place. Now, be sure to line up the rails with the slots in the slide. Sliding the slide all the way back, lock it into place, then close the takedown lever. Your weapon is ready. Once again, this is Sean from Pew Pew Tactical. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and reviews on the guns you love.